Hey everyone, welcome back to day 15 of our 30 days of CCNA configuration series. Before we begin, I want to mention that today's lab is based on one of your requests. So, today we will learn how to configure EtherChannel using LACP in Cisco. Before we start the configuration, let's understand what EtherChannel is. Normally, if two switches are connected using a single cable, all traffic passes through that one link. Okay, if the link becomes busy, performance decreases, and if the cable fails, the communication stops. Okay, so either channel combines multiple physical links into one logical link. This increases bandwidth, provides redundancy, and improves the network reliability. So today we are using LACP, which is an open standard protocol used to create an ether channel. Go to switch 1, command line interface, enable configuration terminal. Now give it a host name. Then we will create a VLAN 10, name it sales, VLAN 20, name IT. Okay? So after creating VLANs, okay, we have to assign it to ports. Okay? So FA01 and FA02. Interface FA01, switch port, mode, access, switch port, access, VLAN 10. Interface FA02, switch port, access, VLAN 20. Exit. Okay, so now we configure the ether channel link. इंटरफेस तो हमें इस वाले लिंक को यहाँ पे मेंशन करना है. ठीक है, तो ये F021 to 23 है. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे हमें रेंज में इसको डिफाइन करना है. F021 to 23. Switch port, mode, trunk, channel, group 1, mode active. ठीक है, LACP में 2 मोड्स होते हैं, एक्टिव मोड होता है एंड पैसिव मोड होता है. ओके, एक्टिव मोड बिकॉज actively negotiates with the other switch to form the ether channel. Now configuring the logical port channel. Interface port channel 1, switch port, mode, trunk. ठीक है, since this link carries multiple VLANs, we configure it as a trunk. Okay, now with the same configuration on switch 2. Okay, go to switch, command line interface, enable configuration terminal, host name, VLAN create करना है, then name it says VLAN 20, name IT, फिर इंटरफेस असाइन करना है, पोर्ट असाइन करना है, स्विच पोर्ट, एक्सेस VLAN 10, VLAN 20, exit, which is from F0 21 to 23. ठीक है, 3 लिंक्स है जिसको हमें कंबाइन करना है, कंबाइन करके वन लॉजिकल लिंक करना है। इंटरफेस रेंज चैनल ग्रुप 1 मोड एक्टिव। ठीक है, वी आर यूजिंग मोड एक्टिव ऑन बोथ स्विचेस हियर। देन लॉजिकल पोर्ट चैनल कॉन्फ़िगर करना है, इंटरफेस पोर्ट चैनल 1, trunk। Okay, so now let's go to switch, exit. Now let's check the ether channel, show ether channel summary. So this command verifies that the ether channel is up. Okay, so you can also check show interface trunk. So as you can see, port 1 is trunk encapsulation is on. Now let's assign IP addresses to PCs. Desktop 10.10.10.11 55.0 10.20.20.11 because this is in VLAN 20. Ten dot 20.20.12. Okay, now let's verify. पिंग करते हैं, पिंग 10.10.10.12. ठीक है, enter. Yes, the pings are successful, the ether channel is successful. Now पिंग करके देखते हैं two different VLAN 20, 10.20.20.12. As you can see, PC1 cannot ping PC3 because they are belong to different VLANs. Even though we successfully configured EtherChannel, EtherChannel is layer 2 technology. Its job is to combine multiple physical links into one logical link. So it does not route traffic between different VLANs. To enable communication between VLANs, we would need inter-VLAN routing. Okay, using a router or a layer 3 switch. So let's do it. We need to configure here inter-VLAN routing. So I'm using router on a stick. Okay, so you have to add a router. We'll configure router on a stick. First, go to router, command line interface, no, enable, configuration terminal, interface G00, no, shutdown. Okay, this interface is up now. Now we will configure a sub interfaces that act as a default gateway for VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Is D/0.10. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हम इंटरफेस G00 पे सब इंटरफेस क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, एंटर, encapsulation .1q 10. 10 इसलिए क्योंकि हम ये VLAN 10 के लिए कर रहे हैं. देन IP एड्रेस देना है हमको 10.10.10.1 255.255.255.0. एंटर. ठीक है, इंटरफेस G00.20 ये VLAN 20 के लिए हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं डिफॉल्ट केस पे. encapsulation IP address 10.20.20.1/24. ठीक है, go to switch and interface G01. Switch port mode trunk. Switch port trunk allowed VLAN 10 20. No shutdown. End. Okay, and at the last, don't forget to save your configuration. To PCs, IP configuration, default gateway पे 10.10.10.1 which we configured. Okay. ये VLAN 20 है तो यहाँ पे 10.20.20.1. Now go to PC and let's ping again. Let's check it will work or not. So As you can see, the pings are successful. So in this lab, we configured Ether channel using LACP, verified port channel configured inter-VLAN routing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.